That's right. 25 basis point cut is what we are expecting at the opening today. But moving on, let's get you some more domestic news updates. Now, the government has set up a high-level committee to probe the Air India flight 171 crash in Ahmedabad. Chaired by the Home Secretary, it was convened yesterday. Now, the closed-door meeting focused on identifying systemic gaps and charting a roadmap for corrective measures. Let's go to Nivedana, who's standing by with all the details.
Significant development as far as the Air India tragic incident is concerned. What we're given to understand is that the high-level government committee that was formed conducted its first meeting to examine the Air India flight 171 crash. In fact, this was the first meeting of the committee, which was chaired under the Home Secretary. Also present in this particular meeting was the Secretary, MOCA, Additional Secretary, MOHA, Secretary as well, and Gujarat Police, as well as Commissioner of Gujarat, Director of the DGCA, and more importantly, the committee will now have access to every evidence and record. This particular high-level committee will carry out an independent investigation. In fact, what we're given to understand is that this multidisciplinary panel chaired by the Home Secretary is mandated to submit its report within 3 months. That was also the directive which was given by the Civil Aviation Minister, and it will focus on formulating standard operating procedures for preventing such occurrences in the future. What we also do know is that the committee's formation, which of course held its first meeting, comes as a separate technical investigation by the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, while they of course continue their particular probe at the crash site and significant details unfold regarding the same.
Thanks Nivedana for those details. Now,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.